Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will learn how that we can extract the data from this raster dataset and how we can add it into a shape file like polygon, points, or line. How we will do it? For example, this is this is the digital elevation model, and for example, I have a point like here, 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 and I want the exact elevation of that point area. How I will do it and how I will extract that data. For example, I have a multiple points like thousand of points, then how I will manually do this? Actually, this is very laborious job, and I can do it just by one uh, using one tool, click tool. Okay, so how I will do it? Now let me generate some random points within this area. For example, we will generate in this area of interest, in and then we will extract the elevation data from this digital elevation model and we will add to that point data. Okay, now I will in okay, so go to the analysis, geoprocessing tool. Okay, now we will go to the data management. Within the data management, resample, and I will generate some random points. Okay, output location, you can select the output location as well as the output point feature. I will select only points underscore el elevation, and constraining area of interest. So this is my area of interest. In this area I just want to create my points in this area. So again, go to the okay, and now number of points, value points. So I need to create, for example, 500 points. Okay, I will only create 500 points, and you can select the uh, distance and as well as the meter, but I will leave it by default. Now click run. So here you can see these random points. These points are actually random, but if you have this data set and these are your points, and for these points you need the digital the elevation of this area, this point area. So if you can see here, you can zoom in and you can click here like this within the vicinity of this point. This is actually 2258 elevation. So if you want to go to the attributes and add a field and then elevation, and for this specific point you are going to add the elevation data, so it's actually very laborious job. So I will uh, extract this elevation data and will add to these points by using only one tool. Okay, so these are the points. Okay, now I will go to the geoprocessing tools again, and here I will go to the the spatial analyst and extract multivalues to points. Okay, this tool I will use, extract multivalues to points. Now select the point elevation, and you have to select the input raster from where you want to add data to the points. Okay, extracted DEM. Now click OK. Run it. This is actually the output field name. You can change the output field name to the elevation. For example, let me change it to the elevation. Elevation. So the elevation field will be added. Okay. Now again run it. Okay. Now go to the attributes of these points. Now here you can see the elevation field have been added. The extracted DEM for the first I have run on extracted DEM. So the extracted DEM have also these values, and then I suggested that the field name should be the elevation, so they have added the elevation. Now for example, let me click on just a random points, and now let me check the point and the elevation for that whether it is correct or not. So I have selected this, and now come here and zoom to selected, or you can press control plus shift plus one plus. Okay, now zoom in, and here you can see that selected point. So this selected point have the values of 1765. Now let me zoom in a little more. Okay, and now click in the vicinity of this point, and now we will see what is the value of this and the digital elevation. So you can see here the 1765 and 1765. This is how you can check the authenticity of this tool. Now this is actually the elevation. If this is the temperature and you need the temperature data, or any other data, like if we have the population raster data and you want to calculate or to extract that uh, population data, so you can use these extraction tools like this. Thanks for watching.